Hey guys, it's your boy Tech Flash. Okay, I think it's time to talk about Google Fold. Considering the fact that Google Pixel 6 hasn't even come out yet, the rumors for the Google Pixel Fold are both surprising and not at the same time. There's no doubt that foldables are becoming a more common form factor for premium smartphones. Also, judging from Samsung's huge success on the Z Fold 3, we can safely say that Google and frankly all major phone manufacturers are excited to come out with their own version of foldable devices. One thing is for sure, we know that Google Pixel Fold is a thing, and I'm saying that because we have evidence. When is it going to be announced is the big question. Will it be released alongside the Pixel 6 in a surprise last-minute announcement? We don't know. Google usually holds their event around October when it shows off its flagship devices, so there's a chance that it may be announced alongside, provided that it is ready by then. Now, the most solid piece of evidence of the Google Fold existing was found within the code of Android 12. I don't know if this is on purpose, but some companies usually leak stuff on purpose to get people talking. The codenames Oriole and Raven were discovered and are believed to be referred to the two Pixel 6 models, and a mention of Passport was also found, which is a reference to the foldable device, a name we've already seen attached to the Pixel Fold. Furthermore, back in August 2020, a leaked internal Google document surfaced that revealed the company's 2021 smartphone release plans. In the documents were codenames of phones we now know as Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, and the document specifically mentioned a foldable device with a 2021 release date. So according to this document, if this is true, it looks like we may be seeing the Google Fold being announced in next month's Google event. When it comes to pricing, we know that Google wants to stay in competition, so we are expecting something around what the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 was priced at. Currently, I think the Z Fold comes at around $1,700, and I wouldn't really expect the Google Fold to be anything less than that. Actually, I would think that it'd be more than that since it will be Google's first foldable device. Design-wise, any details about the Pixel Fold come from multiple patent filings. One patent showed a device that opens on a hinge to reveal a bigger screen with the ability to slide out an additional display for added screen real estate. Another patent teased a foldable that could fold in 3 places as well. Adding more to the rumors, reports say that Google has made a deal with Samsung to get its hands on foldable displays. When you think about it, Samsung is at the end of the day also a company which provides phone components and especially screens, even to its rivals like Apple. The report claims that Google has ordered 7.6-inch panels, which is the same size as that of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Samsung will be supplying Google with its ultra-thin glass layer, which has been important in making sure that Samsung's own foldables are more durable. The display will also use the LTPO technology, which will allow for a faster refresh rate display. As for the processor, we don't really expect the Fold to come out with anything else than the Tensor chip, which is Google's first internally built silicone. Initially, there were rumors that it may come out with the Snapdragon 888, just like the Z Fold 3, but it doesn't really make sense since the Tensor chip will be introduced in the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro devices. And that is pretty much it for the Google Fold. This was your daily dose of tech. I can only say that this has stirred up some chaos and excitement, and if the news are correct, we may as well be seeing Google's first foldable device next month. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.